Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Finally, I'm back posting new videos. As you guys know, if you have watched my previous videos, I recently got a boob job done. So I've just been kind of resting and making sure I heal properly. I didn't want to do anything that was gonna shift them, or I don't know what could happen, but you know, I just wanted them to heal perfectly. So finally, a month later, I'm back and I can create new content for you guys. So for today, starting off my very first look back, I'm gonna be doing this soft glam, this kind of like bronzy, coppery, soft glam look. So if you want to see how to create it, please keep watching. So I'm gonna start this look by priming my face using Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Oil. Rub that in all over. I've been loving the primer oil because my skin's been kind of dry, so this kind of helps that glowy look just stay. So now going in with my foundation, I'm going to be using Smashbox Studio Skin 15-Hour Wear Hydrating Foundation. This is in the shade 3.02 Undertone Neutral Olive. So I just do one pump. I'm just gonna go in and blend this in with my sponge. So now to add a little bit of highlight glow to my skin, I'm gonna be going in with Marc Jacobs Do You Dew Drops. The bottle's a little bit dirty, so don't pay attention to that. So I just put a pump on my finger, distribute that evenly between two fingers. Then I just boop. And then I just put some on the eyelids too, because why not? I like to shine. And I'm gonna go in with this Real Techniques blending brush. I just kind of, oh, there's cat hairs on it, or I don't know. I'm just gonna go in and just really blend that out. I'm just really going to focus it on where I would highlight. So today I'm going to be using Natasha Denona's Transfix Matte Concealer. And the shades I'm going to be using are 9 Warm Yellow and 16 Warm Yellow. 9 Warm Yellow for under my eyes and 16 Warm Yellow to contour a little bit. I'm going to start with my contour. Just going to do a little line. And then using my Huda Beauty Face Sculpt and Shade Brush, I'm going to use a fat end. And just go in and blend that out. This concealer blends really well, so I like using it as a contour because it blends sort of powdery. This is like my little trick. I just put a little bit on my pinky and I rub my two pinkies together like this, but I can't see it, so I'm just gonna guesstimate. Just go like that. Line across and line under. And blend that out using the thinner side. And now 9YW for under my eyes, just to highlight. Down the center, tip of the nose, Cupid's bow, and chin. And I'm going to set it using my Huda Beauty Easy Bake Loose Setting Powder in Banana Bread. Set this using my Anastasia Beverly Hills A22 brush. And blend away. I'm going to set my eyelid too. I'm just going to use a big fluffy brush to set my entire face. Alright, now to contour my face just a little bit more, I'm going to be going in with Natasha Denona's Tan, Bronze, and Glow palette. And I'm going to be going in with this bronze powder first on this little blending brush right here. Now going in with a small blending brush, I'm going to pick up that same color and just go up and down the sides of my nose to contour it. Going back in with that brush we used for under our eyes, I'm just going to blend that out. Using that same brush, same color, I'm going to go in to my eye and I'm just going to deepen this crease up here. And then going in with this super glow color at this top here. It's like a goldy bronze. I'm going to take some of my finger and just apply that onto my lid. Using that other brush to just blend out these edges into that darker color. And then going into my inner corner, mixing the Super Glow and the Glow Impact Powder. So the two lightest colors. I'm just gonna mix them on my finger and go into my inner corner. Then going back to the color I used to contour my face, I'm going to be going in with my Morphe S20 pencil brush. Putting that along the bottom of my lashes here. My bottom lash line. Next I'm going to be going in with my blush and I'm going to be using my Natasha Denona's Bloom palette. And I'm going to go in with this Blush and Glow mixed. And I'm going to take it on my Sigma F15 brush. I always pack a little bit more blush than I need on because that's always the first thing to go away. Then going back in with this palette and mixing these two again and highlighting my face. I'm going to be using my Morphe by Jaclyn Hill JH07 brush. Then I'm going to go in with my finger one more time, pop some on my nose, and the bridge, and then Cupid's bow, of course. Now before I do my eyes, I'm going to quickly do my brows. I'm going to take this sketchy little broken spoolie and just rub out the powder from my lashes. This just randomly broke like yesterday, so I usually just take the ones from Sephora and I'll use that to just kind of clean up my brows for my more natural looks. And then going in with my Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil in shade 6. I'm just going to lightly fill in any sparse areas. I'm not going to go too hard here. Now for eyeliner, I'm going to do a really thin wing, and I'm not going to start from the center of my eyelid. I'm actually going to do the wing first and just kind of connect it halfway onto my lid. I'll show you what I'm talking about. So starting with just the wing. So just getting that wing done and then really lightly connecting that to your lashes. Just like that, I feel like that's good enough. Now for mascara, I'm going to be going in with Lancôme's Monsieur Big Mascara. I'm also going to go a little bit on my bottom lashes. Then lastly for lips, I'm going to be going in with just a little lip balm. This is my Burt's Bees. Just to hydrate. And then going in with my Whirl lip liner by MAC. And this is the final look. I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video and supporting my channel. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos. Also, click that little bell icon if you want to get notifications for when I post future videos. Hopefully you guys want to recreate this look. If you do, don't forget to tag me on Instagram at Chelseasmakeup. Thank you again for watching, and hopefully I'll see you in my next video.